information herein. This powerful drink is replacing all diets to lose weight. Amazing! There are a lot of natural remedies that help us lose weight, but being honest, some are more powerful than others. If so far you have tried all kinds of natural remedies and none have worked for you, then we will give you a powerful ginger remedy, which is very easy to prepare and the effects it provides are really incredible. The benefits of ginger water for slimming really are awesome. With this powerful treatment, you can easily burn fat from the thighs, hips and waist. In addition to being able to enjoy all the benefits of ginger water to lose weight, you can also ingest this powerful drink to combat other ills of your health. How to prepare ginger water to burn fat? Ingredients: some thin slices of ginger root, 1.5 liters of water, juice of a lemon, optional. Preparation method: to prepare ginger water, you will just have to boil the water and add the ginger slices. Let the mixture simmer for 15 minutes. Remove the preparation from the heat, let it cool, strain it, add a little lemon, and go. Have a glass every day before breakfast and one before dinner. Health benefits of taking ginger water: regulates cholesterol. Ginger water is able to combat high cholesterol levels in the body, thus preventing all kinds of diseases related to this disease. Hypertension: this powerful drink also helps regulate blood pressure and prevent and fight the formation of blood clots in the arteries. Powerful natural anti-inflammatory, ginger water is able to successfully combat inflammation, joint problems and diseases such as rheumatism or osteoarthritis. Powerful antioxidant, this fabulous drink also fights free radicals, which